Oh, g'day guys, how you going? Just in the middle of an epic fishing adventure here. Here's some easy camp meals that you can try next time you're on your camping trip. Check them out, you might get some cool tips. Oh, hang on, I better go, I'm on. Oh, it's a big one. Oh.
This is a lunch or a easy dinner. So what we use for this one is chicken skewers. So
in a wrap?
Yep, I'll show you how. So we've got some honey soy kebabs, chicken kebabs. And what we're going to do is literally heat this pan up. Now I'm probably going to use medium to low heat on this because I don't want to burn the marinade. Alright, now grab your skewers, and what we're going to do is take the chicken off.
No, you're not cooking it on the skewer.
No.
Yeah. So why would you cook skewers as opposed to say going and getting like chicken breast or something like that?
Well, these are already made, already marinated, already in bite-sized pieces. And if you can get chicken thigh, you can actually cook chicken thigh longer than breast without it drying out. So there's a good tip for you. Oh, there's a slight breeze so the flames move. So there we have it. We've finished the chicken. So we're going to take that off the heat, pop it to the side, and now we're going to assemble the wraps. Plate, we'll chuck a wrap down. Beautiful. Grab the salad, just a basic one from Woolies. The other ones that are really good are like the Asian mixed salads that you get, like the Thai salad or the Japanese salad. A bit smaller bag than this, but they're really good for this dish. So we'll just prep this, chuck a bit of salad on there. You like salad, don't you, Gaz?
Yeah.
Alright, that on there. Nice big hit of chicken. Oh yeah.
It seems so basic, but obviously with the
tasty.
The kebabs with a bit of satay on there, it's quite good.
Oh, roll him up there.
I've lost a bit. Good. Yeah, no, it's good.
It's tasty.
Tasty.
Tasty, easy, job done. Kids will love it.
100%.
Alright, this one is quite a tasty little treat.
Yeah.
Hence the theme of this whole video.
Nice.
Tasty, easy treats.
Yep.
I'm going to claim this one as I haven't seen anyone else do this before. So
it's a bold claim.
Yeah, the history of it was we're at the end of our trip and all we had left was sausages and muffins. So we thought, well, what are we going to do with that? So I came up with this little fella. We'll grab the muffin first. So these are just old English style standard muffins. We're going to butter them. There you go. Yep, butter them up. Now we're going to heat the pan up because what we want to do is give these a little bit of a toasting. What this bit gets a little bit messy, so we'll grab us one of them sausages there. Egg ring, standard old egg ring. So what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze the guts out of it.
How's it going to be a sausage muffin without a sausage?
Well, sausage meat, I guess. Yeah. Alright, so we got all that out. So we're just going to spread the sausage meat out into the egg ring. This is why it gets a little bit messy. Do you want to chuck those muffins in there?
Oh yeah.
So we'll toast them up. Now, I like to use the big gourmet sausages. Because they, a bit extra flavour. They got some nice bits of fat in there, which renders down and helps with the cooking process. All the spice and everything like that. So they cost a little bit more, but it's worth it.
Probably better than just your cheap ones.
Yep. So chuck them on there. Now, while they're warm, can you put some cheese on those for me? I've got some sausage meat on this side. Now, this is a bit sticky. Now I like to use the egg ring because it helps it hold its shape, but you don't have to use an egg ring obviously.
Oh, I see where you're going with this.
You just mash it out.
They look pretty well done.
Yep, our gourmet sausage is all sorted. So we'll pop that on there.
Straight on, beautiful.
Alright, now we're going to do our egg and bacon. Righto, so our bacon and our eggs just about ready. So we're going to chuck that egg on there. Sauce it up as you like. Bit of barbie sauce. Oh yeah. Alright, the bacon's good. Alright, let's cut this open.
How good's that?
That little fella there. So there you go, an easy breakfast. A little bit longer cook time and prep time, but very tasty.
That's like a sausage and egg Muffin, I'm going to call it. Oh mate,
How good
that
is
is
that?
good. Try that at home, that is good.
And if you do give it a go, let us know in the comments. And also if you have any suggestions about different wraps or whatever, also let us know and we'll give it a crack. Well, there you have it, part 2 of our easy camp meals. They were quite tasty.
Absolutely,
little
yeah.
treat. So we had the romlet, the popcorn chicken meal. We also had the skewers in this episode, the skewer chicken wrap meal. And then to finish it off, we had the sausage hack muffin meal.
If you've got any ideas that you want us to try, let us know. Put it in the comments or send us a message, and we'll give them a go. We might mess them up, but we'll show you. We'll have a go anyway. Don't forget to give us a like if you enjoy what we're doing, so that we know to do more.
Yeah.
And hit that subscribe button.
And remember,
The weeks are long,
the weekends are short.
so chase the weekend.
Catch ya. We need a like a sport team that does like the platter tape. Don't put this in a video.
Not allowed to do this.
Trust me, I'm a semi-professional.
Little professionalism is loosely claimed.
Just gonna massage the sausage. That's right, my face. My lungs! Got the black lung. Hold up your catch, guys. It's a big one.
Yeah, straight on the belly.